How to reduce RAM usage in Windows 11. Is your PC slowing down because of high RAM usage? Let's fix it step by step. So, step 1, disable startup apps. So, go ahead and open up settings. And then on your settings, go ahead and head over to the apps tab. And then from here, look for startup. Click on it, and then from here, turn off apps marked high impact to free memory when booting. Step 2, close unused app. Open Task Manager. So go ahead and click on Control Shift Escape. And then on your Task Manager, check Processes. And then from here, and tasks consuming large amounts of RAM. Third, update drivers and Windows. Outdated drivers can cause memory leaks, so keep your system and GPU drivers updated. Fourth, adjust visual effects. Right click on the start menu, and then from here, go ahead and go to system. And then from here, go ahead and click on Advanced System Settings, and under Performance, choose Adjust for best performance to reduce RAM load. Limit background apps. Disable apps you don't need running in the background to save memory. And that is how to reduce RAM usage in Windows 11.